Cheryl Duffy, Director of Rainbow Academy, and we're celebrating World Water Day. Have you ever wondered if things could sink or float? What does that mean? Let's find out. I'm going to fill these 2 containers with water, and that's going to be part of our experiment. And after I do this, I'm going to show you some things that I found around my house that I want to see if they will sink or float. Would you like to take a look at the items that I found? Look at these. I bet you could find lots of neat things at your house. I found an apple, an orange, we have some shells, a pencil, a spoon, a key, a penny, and look, a toy walrus. I wonder what will happen. So let's start with, how about our orange first? How many of you think the orange will sink? How many of you think the orange will float? Let's find out. We'll put the orange in here. Oh, it went right to the bottom. Guess what that means? It sank. Let's try something else. Let's try the pencil. I'm going to put the pencil in with the orange. Do you think the pencil will sink, or do you think the pencil will float? Let's give it a try. Let's put it in the water. Oh, it's staying on the top. That means it's floating. You know what I think that really does mean? That the orange is heavier than the pencil. Let's find something else. Let's try, look at the leaf I found outside. Do you think the leaf will sink or float? Let's find out. Let's put it over here this time. In goes my leaf. Oh, look at that. It's floating. The leaf must not weigh very much. Let's try the key. Let's see what happens when we put that in the water. How many of you think that the key will sink? How many of you think the key will float? Let's find out. Here it goes. In the water. Oh, it sank. So we know that the key will sink. Let's try a few more items. I found some shells. Let's put them in over with the pencil. Ready? In they go. Oh, they sank. Let's try a spoon. How many of you think the spoon will sink? How many of you think my spoon will float? In it goes. Oh, it sank. So you know what? That was a fun experiment. I took things from around my house to see if they would sink or if they would float. So what you could do, boys and girls, is find things that you like around your house, see which things sink and which things float. Thank you for joining me. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.